morning, students. Today we are going to start your chapter 6. It's a poem. If I could travel free of cost. Take out your books. Let's start reading of this poem as well as explanation. The only book I love is my passport. The stamps in it are my travel report. From beaches to hills to large flour mills, from summer heat to wintry chills, I have seen a lot and a lot is left. Of a little fun, I am bereft. First paragraph is explaining about the poet's love towards traveling the world. In this first paragraph, poet is saying that he is having a book which he loved very much. That's the passport of poet. And some stamps are also printed on it. From beaches to hills to large flour mills, from summer's heat to wintry chills, he wanted to enjoy each and every moment of life. Beaches, hills, flour mills, large flour mills, summer and wintry chills. He has seen a lot and a lot is left. He wanted to see a lot. Of a little fun I am bereft, but the funds, the money he wanted to travel the world is lacking. That means he is not having that much of amount that he can bear the expenses of traveling. If only traveling were free of cost, I would travel until all energy I exhaust. The Eiffel Tower, Taj Mahal, and the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I could travel every country if only I could get a visa. Have pizza in Italy, covered with mozzarella, if only my bills were being paid by some good fellow. Second paragraph. In second paragraph, poet has expressed his love, his intense and immense love towards the traveling and what he wanted to do while traveling. He's saying that if traveling will be free of cost, that means he will not have to pay anything for traveling, then he will travel until his whole energy has been exhausted. That means all the energy has been lost. Till then he will travel. He wanted to go Eiffel Tower, Taj Mahal, Leaning Tower of Pisa, and he wanted to go Italy to eat pizza covered with mozzarella. He wanted to enjoy the moment of having each and everything where he go. And he also wanted that his bills could be paid by some other fellow. In the next paragraph, still I wish to travel for free. He wanted to travel for free. To a whole new country I could flee, making new friends and sharing new food, sitting by the beach so that the sunset could be viewed, jogging up and down on the Great Wall of China, then spending my evening listening to the songs of the Mina. Third paragraph. In third paragraph, poet has expressed his intense love for traveling, but free of cost. He wanted to travel free of cost. He wanted to flee to another country, but without any expense. He wanted to make new friends and taste new type of food. He wanted to enjoy the beach and sunset. He wanted to jog up and down on the Great Wall of China and spend his whole time listening to the songs of Mina. I guess it's not possible though. I will work in that photo studio, then save some money for my world expedition. Because money is the basic requisition. No problem, I can save some money and travel to the Spain to taste with white honey. In last paragraph, poet has expressed his reality that he wanted to travel the whole world, so nobody could travel anywhere without any expenses. Nobody could travel the whole world without any money. So he wanted to earn that much of money that he can travel wherever he wants. He says, it is not possible though. He is saying that it's not possible that free of cost we can travel anywhere. He will have to work for it. And he wanted to work in a photo studio for that. Then save some money. And he will save some money for his traveling. Because money is the basic requisite. Money is the basic need, basic requirement that one could have when he plans to travel anywhere. No problem. He is saying that he can save some money. It's not a big deal. It's not a problem. And travel to Spain to taste white honey. And when he will save some money for himself, for his traveling, then he will travel to Spain. He wanted to go Spain first and taste some white honey. This is the poem. This is the explanation of your poem. Question answers will be given to you later on. Thank you, class.